you to my friend, my best friend, Anushka.
Woohoo!
Come on, give her a big hand. Come on.
Okay, now your
She
performance.
and we will all be doing a dance. Freaky yo-yo it's
Happy
called.
birthday yo-yo. Happy birthday yo-yo.
1, 2, here we go. Freaky yo-yo. Happy birthday to you. I know we're weird monkeys. Okay, so my sister needs to say something. No, I don't. Like autograph. Well, no, say a sentence. Well, see,
Miss you, Varun.
Mr. Varun.
Miss you, Varun.
Sorry about that. Now, once again, happy birthday. Now, we are going to tell you a story about
High School Musical 3.
Three.
Sing a song.
High School. No, we're going to sing a song. High School Musical 3.
Okay.
Okay?
1, 2, 3.
There's
Go.
nothing we can do. No. Oh yeah. Wait. No, wait. Cut the song. Cut the song. Cut. Wait. No. There's nothing we can do. I just want to be with you. And then. No. Yeah. Okay. There's nothing we can do. Just wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. No matter where life takes us, 'cause nothing can break us apart. Oh no, nothing. I just wanna be with you. There, click. I think we should put some action into it. Like move. Run.
Then do some
Here.
dance. I just wanna.
No, another one. Right here, right now. And I'm not doing the I'm looking at you and my heart has a view. And then done.
Okay, done.
And then we do just want to be with you.
Okay, go back.
Okay? Wait, what's that song that? Okay, we do right here, right now.
Okay.
And
Can you all
looking
sing
at
happy
you,
birthday to you in Mandarin?
Let me say, just want to be with you. That
Normal
one,
is
okay?
Okay, happy birthday. First thing, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Ha ha ha. Happy birthday dear Warren. Ha ha ha. Happy birthday to you. Woof woof woof.
अब बहुत हो गया. You know खाना नहीं खाते.
Now, we'll sing this song High School Musical 3. Now guys, I'll sing the talking about High School Musical 3.
Okay, in Mandarin, Guani Shai.
We're gonna do Mandarin and then we're gonna do
And it's translated in real. No, it's Happy Birthday in Mandarin, and
What
we
I
just
just
heard the English translation.
So now we're gonna do Chinese. 1, 2, here we go. Have Judy Kylie,
Judy
Chandra, Kyla, Judy Chandra, Kyla,
Anya, look here.
Judy Chandra, Kyla, choo choo choo, Judy
Action,
Chandra, Kyla, yay yay yay! Now we're gonna sing the song High School Musical 3 song. Now,
No,
Ryan's gonna sing.
High School
I'll
Musical
sing the right here, right now song, and you right after that, I'll say you'll sing.
Wait a
Just
minute,
Wanna Be
Daddy.
With You.
Wait, Daddy, wait.
Oh,
a minute.
we
already sung Just Wanna Be